Vande Mataram. Shudaram Shukaram Malayata Sitaram Shashamaram Nadaram Vande Mataram. Shubhra Dosha Pulatikayamini Pullatu Sumita Sumadara Shobhini Shubhasini Sumadura Vasini Sukadam Bharadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Hazel. Today I am going to deliver a small speech on natural disasters. Natural disasters are unforeseen events caused by natural forces that can damage environment and living organisms. Natural disasters include earthquakes, floods, droughts, tsunamis, and many more. Natural disasters cause widespread destruction, loss of life, and economic impact. Thank you. Happy morning, everyone. I am Darshini of grade 5th Hazel. Today I am here to say about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was an unforgettable warrior in the history of India. She was born on 19th November 1828 in Kashi. She was also called Manubai in childhood. Thank you.
My name is Omkarnath from grade 5 Hazel. Today I am going to tell speech on 21st century. The 21st century is the current century in Anno Domini or Common Era. In accordance of Gregorian calendar, it began on 1st January 2001 and will end on 31st December 2100. It is the first century in the third millennium. The early years of 21st century were pronounced as in 2005, with a change taking place around 2010 when pronunciation of 10 is shifted between early years form of 2010 and traditionally more conscious form of 2010. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
My name is K. Vaisnath from grade 5 Hazel. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Diwali. Diwali is the most lucky and brightest festival in the world. People of many religions celebrate Diwali. Most significance that this festival signifies the victory of goodness over the darkness, and Diwali is known as Festival of Lights. Thank you. Have a fantastic morning. Harish of grade 5 Hazel. Now I am going to give speech on AI, Artificial Intelligence. AI is the ability of a computer to think and learn. It is also filled with studies which tries to make computers smart. Thank you.
My name is Katie Pranay from grade 5 Hazel. I am going to tell speech on Dasara. Dasara is a famous festival in India. It is also known as Vijayadashami. This festival celebrating in the month of September and October. It comes after 9 days Navaratri. It is a 10 days long festival. Ramalila is organized during this festival. On this day, places are organized at different places. Thank you. Have a
place to Hazel. I traveled to Hyderabad. I traveled to Hyderabad. I will travel to Hyderabad tomorrow. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Sastra from Ketri Hazel. Today I am saying sentences. Present tense. I go to temple. Past tense. I traveled. I went to temple yesterday. Future tense. I will go to temple tomorrow. Thank you.
My name is Aishwarya. The spelling of travel. Travel.
Past tense.
Sentence. I traveled to my village by bus.
Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall give respect to my parents. Teachers. And all elders. And treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to all the animals. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in thy well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Hey everyone, today's tongue twister is brought to you by Hasni of grade 9 Sapphire. Tongue twister. Ice cream, you scream, we are all scream for ice cream. No need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. Thank you. Myself, Akila from grade 9 Sapphire. Today my topic is about population of India. The current of population in India is 145 crores as of Saturday 2024. The population of India is. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. I am Srivarshini of grade 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Nota. Nota. None of the above, abbreviated as Nota, has been provided a option to voters of India in most elections since 2013. By expressing a preference of none of the above, a citizen can choose not to vote for any candidate who are contesting in the elections. In 2013, the Supreme Court of India directed the Election Commission of India to include Nota in elections to the Lok Sabha and respective state legislative assemblies. The Nota option was first used in 2013 legislative assembly elections. This is held in 4 states: Mizoram, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. These are union territories of Delhi. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am K. Srimay Reddy of grade 9. I am here to deliver a small speech on literacy. What is called literacy? Literacy is the ability to read and write, understanding information to communicate effectively. India's literacy rate is 74% overall, with 82% of males and 65% of females. Top 3 states with highest literacy rate is Kerala, Lakshadweep and Mizoram. And while the other bottom 3 are Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. Myself K. Srilila from 9th Sapphire. Now I am going to tell about tenses. What is tenses? Tenses is nothing but time of an action. In tenses there are 12. In English grammar there are 12 tenses. First present tense. Simple present tense formula. Subject plus V1 plus object. Example for simple present. She goes to home daily. Present continuous tense. Subject plus am is are plus V4 plus object. She is going to home. She is going to home. Present perfect tense. Subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. She has gone to home. Present perfect continuous tense. Subject plus has or have plus been plus V4 plus object. She has been going to home. Past tense. Simple past. Subject plus V1 plus V2 plus object. She went to home. Past continuous tense. Subject plus was or were plus V4 plus object. She was going to home. Past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. She had gone to home. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had plus been plus V4 plus object. She had been going to home. Future tense. Simple future. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. She will go to home. Future continuous tense. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus V4 plus object. She will be going to home. Future perfect tense. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3 plus object. She will have gone to home. Future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus V4 plus object. She will have been going to home. Thank you.